Abu Dhabi is the capital and the second most populous city of the United Arab Emirates. It is located on the Arabian Gulf coast. It is the largest of the 7 emirates that make up the UAE. Abu Dhabi is known for its luxurious shopping centers, stunning architecture, and cultural landmarks. Let's know best tourist places of Abu Dhabi. So please stay with us till the end of this video. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is the largest mosque in Abu Dhabi. Construction started in 1996 and completed in 2007. This mosque is one of the world's largest mosques and a massive architectural work of art. It features 82 domes, more than 1,000 columns, 24-karat gold gilded chandeliers, and the world's largest hand-knotted carpet. The Louvre Abu Dhabi is an art museum located on Saadiyat Island in Abu Dhabi. It is the largest art museum in the Arabian Peninsula. Artworks from around the world are showcased at the museum. Visitors are guided through a chronological and theme-based display traversing different periods and civilizations. The first Ferrari-branded theme park in the world, it's with a total of 37 record-breaking rides and attractions. It might be one of the most adventurous theme parks in the world. The world's fastest roller coaster is there and it's called Formula Rosa. The Emirates Palace Mediterranean Oriental is a luxury 5-star hotel in Abu Dhabi. From distance, the hotel looks like something out of an Arabian fairy tale. It is one of the most remarkable buildings in Abu Dhabi when it comes to architecture. The Mangrove National Park is just on the edge of the city. Guests can walk along the boardwalk among the shelter of the magnificent mangroves or book a kayak to move through the waterways. Get an even closer look at the wildlife that resides here, from colorful birds to turtles and dolphins. Qasr Al Watan is a working presidential palace in Abu Dhabi and a majestic cultural landmark. You'd be able to attend interactive cultural exhibitions, view rare manuscripts and artifacts, and witness the contribution of Arabs in the fields of humanities, science, literature, and arts. Etihad Towers is a complex of buildings with 5 towers in Abu Dhabi. The towers are located opposite the Emirates Palace Hotel and feature offices, apartments, and a hotel. This 5-tower complex welcomes residents and travelers to live, work, stay, shop, and dine in one destination, boasting stunning panoramic city and Arabian Gulf views. Abu Dhabi's Heritage Village, a family-friendly spot to experience the traditional way of life in the desert. Located on the Marina Mall Island close to the city center, the traditional Oasis Village offers a glimpse at Abu Dhabi's past. Please leave a comment about Abu Dhabi and subscribe the channel to stay with us.